Sup, Justy? It's Gabs. I've been doing this a lot, making these really tacky raps. So now I've decided to make one for you. This is my brother's electric guitar. I do not know how to play. I'm gonna try this. Got my gangster hat, my little sunglasses, got my outfit, nice and good. Pants that match my sunglasses. So, this is to show how much I love you. It's not gonna be a rap, but I made up this little I love you song. So, I love you, yes I do. Here, I'll show you the chords. If you even care, but you probably won't because you didn't comment on the last one. Maybe I didn't harass you enough. Okay. I love you, yes I do. I love you, yes I do. Justin, I love you. Wahoo! So yeah. Justin Bieber is amazing. It's very, very amazing. He's amazing. Justin Bieber is amazing. And I'm addicted to his music. Yeah. His song, one time, makes me wanna go eat a lime. Yeah. Someone less lonely girl makes me feel like I'm one less lonely girl. That was a pun. Justin is amazing. I love him so much. Justin is unbelievable. He is awesome and should come play in St. Louis, Missouri right now. Break it down. I love Justin Bieber. I love Justin Bieber. I love Justin Bieber. Yeah, that's my rap. That was really embarrassing, so you better comment on it, because I just made a fool of myself for you. Love it. Because I love you. Didn't see anything. Don't I look like a statue here? Okay, by the way, let me do my last chord. I love you, yes I do. I love you, Justin. I love you. Wahoo! Love you, Justin Bieber. Keep being awesome. Peace.